33. The law of goodwill. Knowledge of this law will help those who have feelings of futility when thinking about the course of world events. By viewing life in terms of energy, we understand that our higher self coupled with our thought/mind action creates, and our actions/energy solidifies this thought into matter or results. In an energy relationship there is always a positive, creating side and a negative, receiving side of that creative relation. This is simply how the world works. The will to good is the positive, creative impetus, which, when received, makes the manifestation of goodwill possible. We are either mentally polarized or emotionally polarized, and only those who are mentally polarized can begin to appropriate this energy through will on the mental plane. When this is fully comprehended, we begin to realize why the manifestation of goodwill is not more widespread. Chualkal states that it is absolutely essential that the will to good be unfolded by the disciples of the world, so that goodwill can be expressed by the rank and file of mankind. The will to good of the world knowers is the magnetic seed of the future. From Rays and the Initiations. P110. Our mental capacity today readily contacts those ideas which constitute the purpose behind the form. We have the ability to mentally construct a happening, and see it through to completion. This is will to good. The desire of one to create a loving scenario is goodwill, another but related action. The will to good is always an education process, where the recipients are left free to receive the idea or not. The responsibility for expanding the amount of goodwill in the world directly lays on the shoulders of the intelligentsia of the world. In the goodwill process it is the creative/idea/problem solving individuals who are directly responsible for creating goodwill. The rank and file of humanity simply do not yet possess the mental capability to evoke the process yet, even though many are able to participate in the process. This knowledge should fill the responsible group with a greater amount of hope and assurance, because they have the power to generate goodwill in their everyday routine solving of problems. Chualkal says in Esoteric Healing, p. 545, when the majority of the inhabitants of the earth are being rapidly oriented towards good, towards righteousness, as the Bible expresses it, and when the bulk of human beings are inclined towards goodwill, then ill health will persistently, even if only gradually, disappear and die out and finally become non-existent. Slowly, very slowly this is already happening.